Good morning, everyone. I look like some, I don't know, woman named Marfusha. So, it's 8 a.m. here and it's hot, probably 35 or even 40 degrees every day. Anyway, I forgot that you can make stew out of roosters. As soon as my subscribers on the Telegram channel Nashim reminded me that I have an autoclave, I immediately got it ready and set it up. I thought, that's it, you're all done for, there are just so many roosters. They shout over each other. I don't know, it seems to me, since 5 in the morning, but it's just a nightmare. And they even shout over the neighbors' roosters too. It's awful, I just want to sleep, honestly. But right now we can't call them because we're slaughtering broilers. It's so hot and we still haven't finished with the broilers, basically. We haven't called them yet. I'll make some stew for you right now. I'll do it for you today, Stepanich. Basically, he wants to outshout all the young ones and keeps yelling non-stop. I don't know. He actually wasn't loud before. He used to be quiet. Because the other roosters are crowing, he starts crowing too, but everything is already annoying me. So, as soon as Avgastasha is in the window, Avgast is at home and we're outside, because he would bother him. Sasha is hammering, and I've prepared the spot in the meantime. That's it, basically. As soon as the broilers are gone, these will all become stew. I can't stand their cries anymore. If you and Dad want to walk, you can go now, okay?
The slippers are already being prepared.
Ilana is nagging broilers. Marek is also walking around there, something. Damn! Kobalina, ask why their teeth are so white. It's because they eat like this from time to time. One thing or another. Sometimes butter, sometimes that. Chicken heads, of course, their teeth are white. They will do it little by little. Today I plan for 8, and right now Sasha has done 4. If I don't get tired, well, in general, I'll pluck them quickly, all of that. Then another 4, and we'll have 11 left after that. Sasha is watering. Look, we have this stain. Sasha put the pool cover there during the day to dry, and after a few hours when we took it off, there was this stain. We had such a nice lawn under this tent. Never do this. We just messed up. There's no other way to say it. Oh, Kashunya, oh. It's cooler here, yeah. That's all. Come on, roll him again. Hold on. He has water here. It's warmer. He's already dragged some trash here. It's very warm. Oh my god. He. Yeah.
The leg isn't flopping here. Learn from this.
You need these. The arm floaties. Yeah, the arm floaties. Oh. After that pool, yeah, now they let us into the warm one. The water there is really hot. Yeah. Well, so Avgust is relaxing in the village. Honestly, I don't even know how you can raise a small child anywhere but in the village now. Yeah, he swims, does all sorts of things all day long.
Oh dear friends, here it is, my biggest fear, dear friends. Here is my biggest fear, the very corner, the scariest one. Look, it's just terrible here. Even the boards are rotten. This whole board is rotten. I'm not sure what we'll see now. Could the problems have started here? Although the whole line goes from there, maybe this is the lowest part. For example, if it was leaking from there, it would flow somewhere here. I started working on the second half in this room. Well, of course, it's really terrible. Redoing these floors, moving the furniture around when you're already living here, doing a little bit at a time, then putting everything back, then moving it all out again. It's quite an undertaking. But in the kitchen, of course, that's going to be the real nightmare because there are kitchen cabinets and you have to somehow start and try to finish everything by night, and even then you won't be able to get it all done. Because you also need to lay down the linoleum, and it needs to sit for a day so there aren't any waves or anything like that, so it stretches out properly. There's also this kind of problem with this process.
In this regard, I'm going to cover everything up here now.
Clean up over here completely. Although it's still wet, can you imagine, it's still wet at Isby's, but it can't be this wet. Because of the board, at most there could be a dark spot on the board, but it can't be like this. In general, it's a complete disaster. The board is rotten. Even the oriented strand board is still wet. Oh, it still stinks like this, and you'll get sick and you won't be able to do anything. Although now, look, the puddle is already gone. Yeah,
Oriented strand board will try out.
I ordered Vauquelin stain remover. And I want to tidy up a little while the guys are gone. We're picking cherries a lot right now, so I have things like this after picking cherries. We make compote from cherries and we made a liqueur from cherries. Of course, I feel really sorry for my clothes, but I don't think it's a problem because we'll clean our things with the Wow Clean Stain Remover. The water is hot. I take it straight from the kettle and now everything will start bubbling and sizzling. And it settles down. I can't see anything here at all. Wow, honestly, I'm shocked. The t-shirt is also ready, only the cherry skins are left. Now we'll rinse it, but you can already see that there are no cherry stains left. Look at what we've got. This is exactly the same towel. Here you go. That's just amazing. And this is the t-shirt that was all covered in cherry. Look at it. It's just a real wow effect. There's a measuring spoon here. I have a very dirty, rusty lid here. It was outside. This is a little pot for kids that's already seen a lot of porridge. I definitely need to clean it too. I've already rinsed the little pot and now it's so clean, just like new, even though it's not young at all. Look, it's so clean that you can even see the pattern on the back. This is the lid from the little pot that a subscriber gave me as a gift. I still use it, but sometimes someone forgets it outside, and it turns into some kind of strange lid. Here it is, but now it's like new, and I think my fingers are making it dirty. I bought 1 kg on wild berries, but it's more cost effective to get 2 kg. The manufacturer says they use much less baking soda than other stain removers, and the granules are this big. This means that the formula with a higher oxygen content is used here. I liked everything. I'm surprised, honestly shocked at how it removed those cherry stains, so bright and so juicy. I'll leave you a link under this video. It's available on Wildberries and on Ozon. If you can't follow the link or find it, you can just search for Vauquelin. Go ahead, get it. More to come. To be continued. So dear friends, I finally finished. I finished with the rough floors. Now I just need to lay the oriented strand board on top, and that's it.
Phew. This madhouse, all this mess, finally it's not here anymore. And even the smell in the room has become fresher. It's much better now, because when I was opening up all that rot, there was such a strong odor. So that's probably why, sometimes in the mornings I'd wake up and feel this strange sensation like I couldn't get enough air, more. Because all of this was covered with plastic and so on, it would seep into the room in small amounts. So yeah, it was unpleasant. You open the window and just can't get enough fresh air, but now today the window has been open all day. And I've cleaned out and removed all that rot now, but when that rot was still there, it was absolutely impossible to breathe. It was just impossible. Such a nasty smell. It was just awful. But now that I've cleaned all that up, it's gotten much better right away. You can really feel that it's nice in this room now. By the way, why haven't there been renovation videos lately? I'm currently working on the floors and also opened up the kitchen to work there. Now I'll lay USB here, then I'll lay linoleum here as well, and then I'll move straight to the kitchen. I've already opened up part of it there too. I was working on the stairs to the second floor. I finished the stairs completely, and after this video, the next video will come out. I plan to show the stairs there from start to finish, how I worked on the stairs basically. There were all sorts of nuances, but mostly I assembled it quickly. It just took a long time because of the metal structure that needed to be screwed together. And it's really hard to do that with Avgust. I mostly worked on it only when we took Avgust to my mom's place, and we take him there about twice a week. The first time we assembled the ladder, we had to adjust something here, fix something there, put it together, take it apart. But basically it's pretty easy. Once you assemble it, you fully understand how it goes together, and you can put the next ladder together really quickly. Because, well, it's very simple. A simple design, easy to understand, plus it comes with instructions. That's how it is. So the next video will definitely be about the ladder. How did it become non-standard? That opening is non-standard. So I found an option. Now I need to take all of this out of here, lay down the oriented strand board and linoleum. I'll do it today and put it here, and for now, everything will stay in the hallway. We won't sleep in this room tonight.
Subtitles by Dimatorzok. Maybe today I need to mow. It's really important to mow. Sasha and I quickly cleaned up after the horses. The horses now only go out to the paddock at night because it's almost 40 degrees outside. It's kind of better here, you see, it's a dark room, but still, sometimes I come in and see the horses standing there all sweaty. So, apparently, it even gets warm in here, because it's wood. I've seen stables like this, made of wood, like ours. And here, there's a mesh. By the way, during the first years, the doctor used to tear it off. He probably didn't understand what this mesh was for at all. It's a mosquito net. No gnats, no mosquitoes, no flies, nothing at all can get through it. But now he doesn't tear anything anymore. It feels like now he even understands basically what the mesh is for. I've seen those little houses that are just a roof and a back wall, and on all the sides there's this kind of mesh. For the summer, a bigger area is made. They walk around there, they're totally fine. They even lie down there, really, right here. For 2 horses, it's also great to keep in mind that our horses go to one place for pee and another place for poop. And in the middle, the paddock is 8 meters wide, so they walk along the length in the middle, they sleep there, and everything is just great for them. They have plenty of space here. They finally got their hay. It's really hot, just unbearably so.
Unbearable.
How many broilers do we have left for today? One died, it turns out. She had something wrong with her, definitely. Obviously, it was a while ago at the beginning, and one died last night. It's really hot here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. It's hot. Of course, there's nothing we can do about it. It's open here and there are screens over there, you see? They're rotten and flies get in. Here too, the screen is open. We don't turn on this lamp. They're barking right now because this sawdust, this one, it's dusty. See, here it is. It's not pine and it creates a lot of dust, but it's really good for the broilers. I bought it on Avito. So you see what kind of shavings these are, and their droppings, can be kind of runny sometimes. See, the dust is flying, but the sawdust really absorbs the moisture. That's good. And now, they're sneezing because there's dust in the room. They also drink water from automatic drinkers. I add this, trillion boost to the water again so they can somehow get through this heat. Because, look at them, they're so huge outside.
35 градусов.
I really love it when the birds live in cleanliness, especially the ones that are going to end up on the table. Look how hard it is for them to walk. You see, because they're lying down, their breasts get dirty with droppings. Naturally, all of this can't be transferred to the meat. Look, here's their droppings, you see, right here. That's why it's absolutely necessary to keep broilers in this kind of cleanliness, so they feel cozy, comfortable, and well. After all, we should treat animals with respect, even if we eat them. It's nice to take a walk. Yes, it's cool. There's no sun. It's cool, about 25 degrees. Let's go to the sandbox. There are such nice little hands gathering there. Let's go play in the sandbox. Oh, look, Uncle Seryoja advised me to plant peas around the apple trees. It somehow helps the soil. The peas are already ripening, you see. They cling like that. Yesterday I picked them off and apparently ate them all. Oh no, there are still some left here. There are more. There aren't any here yet. I haven't planted them everywhere. Here too, not yet either. It hasn't grown yet, I think. Here you can still... Yeah, something is starting to show, something serious. Oh, wow. Amazing. The doors are bending really hard. Let's go home quickly. Let's go home. 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 Honestly, it's a mess here. Home? Come on. Good job. Look, everyone is running, really. What's going to happen?
Dad!
We're already tired of the heat, so whenever we get a chance, we go swimming. It's okay. Just a little bit more. In August, there won't be any more horse flies or anything like that. It's a heavy rain. Sasha is worried about the fence, that it might fall down because of the wind. It's a heavy rain. It's good that I didn't go out to water, thank you. Oh, lightning. It's really pouring rain and the laundry. It's good that I managed to collect it and you brought it in because it's really strong. Apple, damn, my apple trees are really being shaken, especially this one. Look, it's shaking. This one is shaking. It won't break. Look how much it's shaking.
It's holding on.
I think only this one is shaking.
Come on, it's closing there. I don't know how this closes.
Yes. The pool opened. This black thing is about to fly off to Gina. Damn, just like I said. Yeah, Gina really needs one like that. Yeah, she has one. Oh yeah, she has a pool just like that. Like what? The trees are just swaying for no reason. Oh, they're totally crazy. Oh, wow. My poor lawn, little patch. Who is this for? For the Encantrons. Everyone is just crazy. The rain is over. It poured really hard. I'm filming for you through the net. Oh, now it's hard to film? So let's film without the net.
Ta da 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 ta da da dum ti li 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 la li la 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 lam.
Has watched.
Ta da 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 dum continuation.
Player's voice. Nothing, 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 nothing.
To be continued.
To be continued, to be continued, to be continued, to be continued.
Continuation.
To be continued.
To be continued.
To be continued. Is he giving a banana or something? It's really tasty, isn't it? You forgot that bananas. To be continued. To be continued.
To be continued. To be continued, to be continued.
To be continued. To be continued.
To be continued, to be continued, to be continued. I left a gap here somewhere, I don't know, from about 7 millimeters, 8 or 9, it varies. That's because I cut everywhere with a knife. To be continued. To be continued. Return our paneling and that's it. And attach all the baseboards. To be continued, to be continued. Worked. Both were tired, and Lyra was driving. Control, control, control. So that's it. Now we have control. This room is finished too, only the kitchen is left. Now 2 rooms are completely done. Now the linoleum will settle and we'll need to glue it down between the door. And that's it. It'll look really beautiful here. It's already getting late, turning into night. Subscribe to our Telegram channel. Don't forget, we're having a contest there right now. We decided to hold a contest. There will be an electric blanket and a regular blanket for your bed or sofa. Plus, we constantly post different interesting news there, things that are happening right now, and we post a lot, about 4 or 5 posts a day. Our chat is really lively, people talk, ask questions, and there are anonymous ones too. We posted that you can ask anonymous questions if someone is shy or doesn't want to be revealed. They can ask questions anonymously. So dear friends, goodbye to everyone. See you. Subtitles.